रायबंदरांत फाटले कांय दीस जाले सातत्यान विजेचो प्रश्न सोंतवपाक लागला. ह्या लायटीच्या आपालिपा खेळाक लागून थळावे विटल्यात. मंगळारा थळाव्यांनी मुखेल अभियंत्याची भेट घेतली. जरी तर हो विजेचो प्रश्न सुटावो केलो ना तर 18 जुनाक क्रांती दिसा रस्ता रोको करपाची शिटकावणी सरकाराक दिल्या. आरडेक्सका खातीर रायबंदराच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
The people of Ribandar have over the years been suffering due to the power failures, and over the years, instead of the situation improving, it has gone bad to worse. Ribandar has been suffering and suffering very badly due to these frequent power cuts, power fluctuations, and the loss caused to the people is horrendous. In fact, on 3rd, when Ribandar was without power for 22 hours, all the businessmen, their shops suffered, and all their perishable goods were also destroyed. Now it's enough is enough, so we have come to meet the chief engineer today and seek his intervention. We are going to demand that the people of Ribandar not be charged for power during this month, as due to the frequent power failures. We are also demanding that electricity department mobile vehicle be stationed at Ribandar 24 hours with a JE on duty. People of Ribandar cannot suffer any longer due to these power cuts. In fact, Ribandar is without an MLA for the last 5 months. Now Goa is without a power minister. Something needs to be done, and needs to be done immediately. We are also going to tell the chief engineer that if the situation does not improve within 48 hours, the people of Ribandar would be compelled to have a Rasta Roko on June 18th, which is the Goa Revolution Day. The revolution against the Department of Electricity will start at Ribandar on 18th if the situation does not improve within 48 hours. So we are going to put the government on notice today, the chief electrical engineer on notice today, because they need to get their acts together. It is our right to have 24-hour uninterrupted power supply.
And again, yesterday Sunday, there was a breakdown where 2 poles were damaged, and our people from morning up to 3 to 4 o'clock they worked and they restored the supply. After restoring, within again half an hour, our main cable joint punctured, so that feeder was fully faulty. Then somehow we had managed to give them supply from Korli. Around 6 o'clock we gave them supply, and again by 8:30 that feeder also went faulty. So it was helpless. Then somehow in the rains, heavy rains were there. My AEs were on the field and they restored the supply by 10 o'clock. So what they say, last Sunday full day, this Sunday again full day. That was, they wanted to highlight it to me personally. And they have taken yesterday appointment, they have come, and I have agreed to hear their grievances, because it will be a feedback for me also. Any problems to be addressed, we can address jointly. Today they have told some small issues like office shifting, providing vehicle, that all will take care.
They have put some demands for you in front of you, like saying the bill should be given.
Demands. That I think whatever in my hand, I'll sort out the issue.
We need something very concrete done, and we put you on notice that if we don't see the situation improving in 48 hours, we would be compelled, okay, to have a Rasta Roko in the entire of Ribandar, in the national highway and the lower road also, to ensure that at least that will open the eyes of the people, of the government. Okay, so we are planning to have it on the 18th of June, which is Goa Revolution Day. The revolution against your department will start at Ribandar, sir.